genetically modified organisms, GMOs, have the potential to contribute to addressing world hunger, but they are not a standalone solution. World hunger is a complex issue influenced by various factors including food distribution, access to resources, socioeconomic disparities, and agricultural practices. GMOs can play a role in increasing agricultural productivity and enhancing nutritional content, but their impact on hunger depends on how they are used and integrated into broader agricultural and food systems. Here are some points to consider. 1. Increased crop yield. GMOs can be engineered to resist pests, diseases, and adverse environmental conditions. This can lead to increased crop yields and more reliable harvests, especially in regions where traditional crops are vulnerable to these challenges. 2. Enhanced nutritional content. Biofortification, a technique that involves modifying crops to have higher levels of essential nutrients, can improve the nutritional quality of staple foods. For example, golden rice has been developed to provide vitamin A, addressing deficiencies prevalent in certain populations. 3. Crop resilience. Genetic modifications can create crops that are more resilient to environmental stresses like drought, which can help ensure food security in regions prone to climate extremes. 4. Reduced post-harvest losses. GMOs with improved shelf life and reduced susceptibility to spoilage can help reduce post-harvest losses, contributing to more efficient food distribution. 5. Sustainable agriculture. Some GMOs are designed to require fewer pesticides or herbicides, leading to reduced environmental impact and potentially allowing for more sustainable agricultural practices. 6. Tailoring crops to local conditions. GMOs can be customized to suit specific local conditions, which can be particularly important in areas with unique challenges such as soil conditions or water availability. However, it's important to consider potential challenges and concerns. 1. Socioeconomic factors. Hunger is often tied to poverty, lack of access to land, education, and resources. Addressing hunger requires addressing these broader socioeconomic issues. 2. Environmental concerns. While GMOs can reduce the need for some pesticides and herbicides, they can also raise concerns about the development of resistant pests and environmental impact. 3. Intellectual property. Ownership of GMO seeds and associated technology by a few corporations can raise issues of accessibility and control for farmers, particularly in developing countries. 4. Ecological impact. Introducing GMOs into ecosystems can have unintended ecological consequences, impacting biodiversity and potentially disrupting local ecosystems. 5. Ethical and cultural considerations. Some communities have cultural or ethical concerns about genetically modified foods. 6. Diversified diets. While GMOs can improve the nutritional content of certain crops, addressing hunger also requires promoting diverse diets that include a variety of foods. In conclusion, while GMOs have the potential to contribute to addressing world hunger, they are part of a larger, multifaceted solution that requires careful consideration of ethical, environmental, and social factors. A comprehensive approach to tackling world hunger involves a combination of improved agricultural practices, sustainable development, equitable access to resources, and policies that address the root causes of hunger and poverty.